how much do you need to believe? And when the snake is spitting venom here and there, then you need to stop that snake. But you cannot eliminate those snakes. You cannot, because sometimes snakes are good. They eat your frogs. They eat all this kind of, the things which are not required. Yeah, but don't give them a lot of milk. Don't give them a lot of meat. You need to be careful on that. And the second thing is, as you said very correctly, being a project manager, being a line manager, you need to have information from various sources. So once you see this snake is always giving you wrong information, then you need to go and do 1 or 2 times. But if the snake sometimes gives the information which is not bad, which is more accurate, so you need to act accordingly.
Somehow, as a line manager,